and stuck with these crazy people like I'm in an insane asylum. I know I ain't the Joker, man, so get me the fuck out of here. I could tell there was like zombies, like a fucking war zone. So let's take the chance to get the hell out of here. It's me and you, no one else. Come on, baby girl, let's run like the flash because we can't escape. Escape, escape, yeah, yeah. I never saw anything like this before. I gotta run away, I gotta escape. I have to get out of this mess. I get in my car, hit the gas pedal hard, ran straight out of town in a beat of heart. In a beat of heart, yeah. I could tell you've been running away for days with no sleep. Fucking no days off, but you're safe with me. Under my arms, but we're on. Let me get my fucking AK and fuck them up. No home, no food, nowhere to go. Where do we do? We fight. We grab the guns and fucking kill them. Fucking blow their fucking brains out. One blow to the fucking chest. Heads up, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Now, let's escape. You can see it, you can feel it, you can hear it everywhere you go. Everything is burning to the ground because you can't escape. You can't escape. You can't escape, bitch. You can't escape.